Okay guys, so this is Ms. Phipps. This is your spring break assignment. This is the website you're going to go to, edx.org. Well, once you get here, you're going to go to register. We're going to wait a few seconds for it to go in. Register and get yourself signed up. Heidi is letting me use her stuff. Okay, just go ahead and sign yourself up. All right, just put everything in, whatever you want. Okay. Go ahead from here. Select everything. You all know how to create accounts. That part's easy. Okay, those are optional, so I'm going to skip those. You can do them if you want. And as it goes. So the next thing we're going to do is pick the course we're going to work with. So you're going to go to Explore Courses. And when available, we're going to type in AP Physics. We're doing it right here. Okay, let's take a look. I think we're going to do this one, the RICE-X one, the self-paced. Okay, so from here, you can go ahead and we're going to enroll now. Okay, and the thing is, it's got the entire thing going on here. We're only going to look at one little piece of it. We can ignore all this stuff. We're going to audit the course. That means we're doing it, but we're not getting any kind of like credit with this program for it. Okay, so once we're in here, we're going to hit Start Course. Okay, Start Course was right up here in the middle right-hand corner. Wait as it kind of works its way through. Okay, so now you're here. Go ahead. You can read through the course Getting Started Welcome. You can use any part of this course that you want. I'm going to hit the Progress button right here. Okay. And we can scroll down as far as we want. You can look at anything in here that you want to. Remember, this is an archive course, so you don't really need to say hello or anything like that. You can do any of this stuff in here. And you're going to go all the way down, keep scrolling down until you get to DC circuits. And you're going to start right here. Click. And as it goes through, you're going to see that there's kind of basically it's like video with some questions in it and then like a little quiz at the end. You don't have to do any of the, I think they might have a lab in here. You don't have to do any of it. So from this point forward, you're just going forward and learning about the different topics. So if it has this icon up here, that's got a bit of a video. The readings that it refers to is something that you have. It's the College Physics for AP courses. You can have the link in there. You might already have it. That's what we've used for the readings that we've done. So you have readings, you have a little bit of video. As it goes through, I'd be taking, one thing I will look for is I will look for the notes that you've done on this. And let's see, where are we at? Okay, so there's a question right there. What happened to the question on the other one? I didn't see it there. Oh, I don't know why they didn't have the questions below. That part's okay. Just kind of keep going. You do see the questions. They got the practice problem and the solution, and then they've got a one for you to work your way through. And then it kind of starts all over. Video, concept, questions. And you're just going to keep working your way through it. So this unit had a couple of sections. Let's see what we have. That'll be both kind of math and concepts. Okay. So these are the things you're going to learn. You're going to learn about charge flow and materials, electric potential, Ohm's law. And you want to you do unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and unit 5. Okay, and I'll see you when you get back. Have a great spring break.